Hi guys, so today I've come over the allotment. I'm going to just do a little bit of maintenance on my hedge trimmer here. So I've got the HLA 56 long reach hedge trimmer, the battery one, and we're going to re-grease the gearbox. And to do this I've got Stihl's own multilub. This is 80 grams and it was quite cheap. I do have a link below if you want to have a look at that. You can get the bigger tubes, but there's loads in this. So this is the 80 grams and this will see you through a season. So I like to do this once before the season starts, during and then after, and this is more than enough. So we're going to first start by undoing these 4 little hex nuts here. And it's worth saying as well that this is a battery trimmer, but this lube will be applicable to all gearboxes for Stihl, so your petrol ones, you know, anything that basically requires a little bit of grease. So once you've got the nuts out, you've got to take this black cover off. So it might be a bit stiff, you just got to prise it off. Now, first thing you want to do is get yourself an old rag and just give it a good clean. Because what happens, you've got the case here and you've got the 2 bits here. Now when this is turned on, they spin. But they are actually held in position, I don't know if you can see that, in the 2 little holders there. So they sit in there, so it's actually, get this out, it's actually the middle part, it's got a hole in there, so that middle part needs to be really greased so that can spin. And it's the same on the other little circular part there as well. So when we're greasing, it's important to get inside those and get those greased up. So all you're going to do is squeeze it in and around the gear box there, and just with your little finger just wipe it in. So you want to be fairly liberal because all of this moves, and I'll show you at the end when it's all greased, but all of this obviously moves to move the blade. As I say, if you do this a couple of times a year, depending on obviously how much you're using it, and I'm just going to hook it together now, and I'm just going to show you the mechanism as it should be moving. So now it's just a case of popping the black cap back on and tightening the screws. As I say, I do have links to the hedge trimmer and the grease below if you want to check them out. It's up to you. Any questions, pop them below, as I say, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys.